Hello friends, I am Sahil Chauhan, a BE Computer Science final year student at Thapa University, and in this video I am going to discuss about my capstone project. So the name of my capstone project is Put It to Infinity in quotes. It is basically moving to automation using DevOps and Cloud. And to give a real world or realistic view to the system, I have given a real world example or application of our system in data mining and business intelligence as well. So let's look what our project is about. So let's discuss about DevOps and the existing problem. DevOps is no more a formula. It's development combined with operations. So let's discuss the problem first. The goal of operational team is to deliver reliable software to the company or the customer. But if the service or application is not running efficiently, the service will not provide any value to the company. So these are the three basic major business practices involved in operations. And their service depend on fragile infrastructure and applications itself. These things combinedly provide insights to the business of the company. But wait, a little leniency can cause a huge damage. I mean, a little note, a huge damage. Developers, on the other hand, are responsible for delivery of software on specific time. The developers also face issues and errors related to paradigms and versions of the software they are working on. Now, they do their best to meet their deadlines. For example, cut the corners and focus on the features and so now come the main part of our project. What is the solution of this problem? What kind of solution we have for this problem? So the solution is nothing but DevOps, combining development with operations. So we'll look into the brief of what DevOps is and what kind of DevOps architecture we are implementing in our project, and what kind of architecture gave us a big success in this capstone project. Now I'll discuss about the architecture of DevOps that we have implemented in our capstone project. In the basic workflow, the code is pushed into a GitHub repository, which is a version control repository. After that, CI server creates a build of the newly code pushed into the GitHub repository. And once the build is done, it will keep them into the self, and the deployment is decided from this stage onwards. Compilation and various kinds of basic testing is performed in this stage. The code is next decided to push on the staging server. Staging server is generally a deployment server. However, the production environment can be different from the staging server. Various kinds of testing such as smoke testing, functional testing, etc. are performed on the staging server itself. Once it is done, it is decided that whether the time is ready that the code is moved to the production environment or not. Once all is done, the code is pushed into the production environment itself.